Hello, my name is Abdulrahman Khaled and I'm gonna give you a small introduction about our project. Our project is simply a smart home. First of all, why do we need a smart home? Some people tend to forget the lights when they go out, which causes a huge electrical consumption, while some others forget to close the window when they go out so anyone can rob their house easily, which can cause a huge security risk. So by introducing our smart home, we can now make this operation easily, automatic. And now for more details, my colleague Abdul Latif will continue.
Hello, my name is Abdul Said. Now I'm going to talk about sensors, which we installed in this project. We got two sensors, light and infrared. First I'm going to talk about infrared. It has sender and receiver. The sender sends its wave to be reflected in its range. When the wave is reflected, a digital signal is produced and send it to the FPGA through this wire. And now I'm going to talk about the light sensor. The light sensor has a photocell that over there that detects light intensity and send one to the to FPGA if the light intensity is high through this wire. Now my colleague Muhammad will continue.
I will be talking about the outputs of this circuit. First, to begin with, we have this servo motor that represents our window. This represents that the window is closed, and the other side is that the window is open. The servo motor operates by a signal called PWM that is just like a clock, but instead of having 50% 1 and 50% 0, the range differs. And that will be seen later with my colleague Ahmed Said. And the other output we have in this circuit is this LED, which represents the lighting system. The LED will take an output from the FPGA, and depending on that output, it will operate the LED or not. And now with my colleague.
Okay. Now we're going to talk about how we integrate these inputs and outputs through the FPGA to get our desired outcome. At first, the states in and out of the house are controlled by the infrared sensor, and the states of the light intensity outside the house are controlled by the light sensor. If the light intensity is high, it will give a 1. And if the light intensity is low, it will give a 0, as well as the infrared sensor. When a positive edge passes, the person enters. If another positive edge is detected, the person exits the house. And they are integrated to get the desired outcome of the servo motor and the LED lamp, which represent the lighting system. Now my colleague Muhammad will program the FPGA and show us how it works real time.
First of all, this is the window, which is supposed to be closed when he enters the house. And this is the light intensity sensor, which is initially detecting high light intensity. Now, we will start to run the program. Now, this is a person who tries to enter the house. Now, this person has entered, and the window has opened because the light is detecting high light intensity. Now, if we hover on the light intensity, the window will be closed and the LED lamp will turn on. Now if we remove the hover, the window will return to be open and the LED light will close off. Now suppose this person wants to go out, the window will return to close again. Now this person enters the home again. This is
due to limitation.
Now we hover on the light, the window closes again and the lamp will turn on. Now, if you try to leave the house, the lamp will turn. The lamp will turn off, and this is how the summary of how our project works.
The reason